Are you experiencing error code 90403 while trying to access the control panel of your TP-Link router? Then you are at the right place. Here is how to fix the issue. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Method 1. Check internet connection. Error code 90403 on your TP-Link ARCAD C80 router typically indicates an unknown error while accessing the router's control panel. To fix the issue, first ensure your router is connected to the internet. Check the internet LED light on the router. It should be on. Restart your router to resolve any connectivity issues. Method 2. Verify login credentials. Ensure you are entering the correct username and password. Double check for any typos or spelling errors. Method 3. Use a different browser. Sometimes browser compatibility issues can cause this error. Try accessing the control panel using a different web browser. Method 4. Clear browser cache. Clear your browser's cache and cookies, then try accessing the control panel again. Here we are showing how to clear the Chrome browser's cache. Click on the three dots menu from the top. Select Delete Browsing Data. Select all time from the time zone. Click on all the three checkboxes and then select the Delete Data option. Confirm if asked. Method 5. Check firewall and security settings. Ensure that your computer's firewall or security settings are not blocking access to the router's control panel. You can disable firewall for the time being. To do that, type Windows Firewall in the Windows search and select the top result. Next, select Turn Windows Defender Firewall on or off option. Click on the radio buttons for Turn off Windows Defender Firewall for private and public network settings. Click on OK to confirm. Remember to re-enable your firewall and antivirus software later. Method 6. Update router firmware. Visit the TP-Link website and download the latest firmware for your router. Follow the instructions to update the firmware. Method 7. Run the network and internet troubleshooter. Right-click on the Start button and select Settings. In the Settings window, select System. On the left sidebar, click on Troubleshoot. Select Other Troubleshooters. Then run the network and internet troubleshooter. Method 8. Connect to 2.4 GHz or 5 GHz. Access your router's setting page. Select the wireless tabs from the top. Specifically, select the 2.4 GHz or 5 GHz option to configure the network name, SSID and password for that band. And there you have it. The methods to fix error code 90403 while trying to access the control panel of your TP-Link router. We hope one of these methods has worked for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment and help others know which solution solved your problem. Thanks for watching and we will see you in the next video.